Well, today we're gonna recharge the air conditioner on the 2007 Dodge Nitro. This has been an exceptionally good vehicle. My wife and I have drove it for a good while now. We've had it for several years. It's got the V6 in it, 3.7 liter. Good running vehicle. Runs excellent. It's got a new battery, new starter. We've had a lot of things done to it over the years just to keep it up, maintenance. Air conditioner's blowing pretty good, but I think it could be a little cooler. The oil's always been kept changed. Been a real good vehicle. So I'm going to start and add a little Freon to it and see what we can get. I'll be right back. First thing we do is we screw the hose onto the can, but do not screw in the piercing valve until you get the other end of the hose hooked to the low pressure port of your air conditioning unit. That is going to be right here, it looks like. Now that we have it on there, we're going to screw in this piercing valve, and that will start releasing that will pierce the can. Now we'll start the vehicle. Got the vehicle started, air conditioner running full blast. Now we're going to put the Freon to it. Got the Freon going in. And we'll get the can upside down so you can get it in there. Takes a minute or so. it in there. So, check it here in a minute. Engine's running great. Vehicle runs great. It is super cool now. The air's working fantastic. Well, that does it for charging the air conditioner. It was running cool, it's doing okay, but now it's really cool. It'll freeze you out now. It does a good job. Well, hope that helps somebody out there. Thanks for watching.